were doing a medley of songs for the island of Maui, Koali and Waikapū Kealoha. I've always loved both of those mele. I thought that they have really good sentiments. They're uplifting and joyous. But also it talks about Nawaiʻeha, the four waters, the winds of Maui, the locations, the place names. But we reflect back on those times that we went and visited Waikapū, Waiʻehu, Waiheʻe, Wailuku. For the people of Maui especially, the waters are very valuable to all of our people. So I was thinking about how valuable water is and the life of our people and how we depend on those waters. And the winds, I can feel the wind right now. It's the wind of Nu'uanu, but how important that is to all of us as well. Eine is a young group of musicians that have produced, I love their album, and they did a nice recording of Koali. So I reached out to them. I said, hey, you think you folks could play for us for Prince Lot? And they were so excited to do that. Well, it was also the mele, the two mele are kind of upbeat, and I think right now that's what we need, something that's uplifting for our community, fun, joyous. So we've had a great time learning the mele, and we're inspired by the songs, and I hope that our viewers of the Prince Lot Hula Festival will enjoy that and feel uplifted and joyous as well.